Okay. So this is sort of my official wrap up or just like understanding of this. It's quiet as hell back here. And so I believe I've got the audio set up pretty well. My desktop audio is on, but once I hook up like this sort of mic, I guess, and funnel it through this app as a background pickup, it picks up my desktop audio when this is connected like this. And it's able to funnel it to me. Strange. But so when I want to show you guys something, I have to go here, say something on the internet, which I'm watching right now. Has noise. Gonna be here. I would have to put in application audio capture. Desktop audio is regular. That's gonna play through the headphones. Instead, that's the glitch right here. And then also, this is the second glitch. Whatever I'm about to stream here, right? But first I gotta put this on so they can actually show you my screen, right? And now you can see desktop audio. There is an audio. There's audio here. And now display capture, like I said, is that. But this is something different. This is what I'm about to show you, right? This is camera and mic, regular. But also in the mic, gotta tweak the properties so that way it uses inside of the camera. It will pick up the audio, but I gotta tweak it if I'm gonna use like an audio device like the one I'm using that allows me to hear myself and the computer. And the mic is just a mic. But also the mic, well, yeah, you want to click your mic you're using. There's properties. Well, not really, I guess. Gotta click your mic. There's filter properties. And so yeah, this is gonna be me. Now I'm gonna switch it over and I'm gonna be here and it's still picking up regular, like with just me. But now I'm about to switch over to an audio capture, an application audio capture that I'm watching, right? The song. Boom. Here, play. Now while I'm doing this, we can listen. But you can also hear me talk to you. You can hear me talk to you. Alright, we're gonna listen. Let the song play out. Like, I'm gonna listen to the whole song. But boom, I click here. Oh wait, let me see something. Okay, yeah, now I'm gonna have to click here. Click here.